Good day everyone and welcome to today's video. So I found a cute pumpkin pattern on Pinterest and I wanted to kind of recreate something like similar to it. So that is kind of where I got this design idea. So I'll just paint all of my nails with this white gel, and then I will probably end up doing 3 coats and then we can move on to the actual design. So I'm using this solid gel palette because it kind of has all the colors I need. I'm taking the orange and creating little pumpkins. And then I'll take a lighter orangish brown color and create little lines on each of the pumpkins. None of this has to be very perfect because it's all kind of small and it just kind of like comes together in the end. And then I'm taking a green and making little leaves. And I decided to just do like the tips of 2 of the nails. Just to kind of mix it up. And then I decided to add a gold glittery polish, and I'm just lining the 2 French tips, and then I am just making some dots on the rest of the nails to give it a little sparkle. And then I will just do a top coat and add some cuticle oil, and that will be that. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!